Hey folks, super morning. Thank you so much for joining in. Welcome to day two. Hi, Lakshmi. Nice to see you. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Super morning, super morning. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. Today, I am currently in the wonderful city of Pune, and we got in yesterday at 4 a.m. because our flight got late. But all good. I am ready for day two. Hope you are too. And yesterday we did something pretty simple. Yesterday we started with the bio link. Today we're going to keep it short and simple as well for day two of the 100-day challenge. But before we do that, I just want to thank all of you for being here, taking the time to make it, and just in general for taking action. Probably the toughest thing to do in today's day and age. Focus and take action. So, congrats for being here. Congrats for making it. Like I said, for the next 100 days, next 100 work days, I'm going to do my best to give you literally all the tools, templates, training that we do have over here to make this journey as simple, as easy, as fun, as painless, as frictionless as possible. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me share screens with you. And we can get started. All right, so let me go ahead and create a quick mind map. Today we are going to be talking about really figuring, really zeroing into what exactly is your business model. Uh, Previously in the challenge, we've spoken about four ways of making money on the internet, starting from creating an info product like a coach, a creator, a mentor, recording your programs, selling your L1, your L2, your L3, your L4. We've spoken about an agency model where you can help other businesses by essentially doing their digital marketing, essentially getting them set up. So today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about a business model canvas. And this is going to take you about 10 minutes to complete from start to finish. And the whole idea is for you to basically have a printout, to have an exact printout of what your business is going to be looking like. The great news is we do have some software that is going to be made available to you. But before we jump in, I want to ask you in terms of your business model, like what are all the things that you basically need to consider? So let me know in the chat when we're talking about a business model, what are the things that you are currently thinking about? Sure, I'll definitely put that into the resources. So if you have multiple businesses, you can make multiple canvases. I'll show you how to do that. So boot camps, so way of engaging with your customers, by working with them. Source books, super. So what else are you thinking about when it comes to growing your business? Whether it's agency, whether it's freelancing, whether it's coaching, consulting, what are the things that you need to have in place to be able to make your business run seamlessly? So, a landing page, a website, payment gateway. WhatsApp, having a team, community groups, amazing. The team, community groups, automation, getting leads, have an LMS, so getting mentors, social media, backlinking for SEO, influencer building, blogs, Facebook ads, so your entire business model. So who are your customers? How are you going to communicate with them? What are you going to charge them? Your pricing. What are you going to deliver to them? How are they going to access it? How are they going to become aware of you? How are they going to give you testimonials? Who are your key partners? What kind of key resources do you have? What kind of tools? Let's see if we have any more. And then I'm going to make this really simple for you to be able to visualize. We are definitely going to do a business canvas. So there's anything else that you can currently think about when it comes to managing your everyday operations, what you need to be doing every day. Feel free to list that out. And else, cost management, that's a very good one. Your expenses, your branding, CRM. All right. So as you can see, we've got a lot of things to be thinking about when it comes to our business. And these are more on a tactical front. These are more on what you're going to be doing every day. But from a management standpoint, we basically want to take a look at a few core components every single day. So that's what I'm going to share a quick video. So I'm going to play this video for you real quick. It's a 2-minute 19 video, 2 minutes 19-second video. And I'm going to play it for you 2 times. So if you can follow along, that will be super duper awesome.
An organization's business model can be described with 9 basic building blocks: your customer segments, your value proposition for each segment, the channels to reach customers, customer relationships you establish, the revenue streams you generate, the key resources and key activities you require to create value, the key partners, and the cost structure of the business model. But it's not sufficient to just enumerate the 9 building blocks. What you really want to do is to map them out on a pre-structured canvas. This is what we call the business model canvas, a tool that helps you map, discuss, design, and invent new business models. Let's briefly go through the 9 building blocks, starting with the customer segments. These are all the people or organizations for which you're creating value. This includes simple users and paying customers. For each segment, you have a specific value proposition. These are the bundles of products and services that create value for your customers. The channels describe through which touchpoints you're interacting with customers and delivering value. The customer relationships outline the type of relationship you're establishing with your customers. The revenue streams make clear how and through which pricing mechanisms your business model is capturing value. Then you need to describe the infrastructure to create, deliver, and capture value. The key resources show which assets are indispensable in your business model. The key activities show which things you really need to be able to perform well. The key partners show who can help you leverage your business model, since you won't own all key resources yourself, nor will you perform all key activities. Then once you understand your business model's infrastructure, you'll also have an idea of its cost structure. So with the business model canvas, you can map out your entire business model in one image. This works for startup entrepreneurs just as well as for the most senior executives.
All right, folks, so that was the first time we are going to be doing this again right away. So in case you missed something, you'll probably be able to catch up.
An organization's business model can be described with 9 basic building blocks: your customer segments, your value proposition for each segment, the channels to reach customers, customer relationships you establish, the revenue streams you generate, the key resources and key activities you require to create value, the key partners, and the cost structure of the business model. But it's not sufficient to just enumerate the 9 building blocks. What you really want to do is to map them out on a pre-structured canvas. This is what we call the business model canvas, a tool that helps you map, discuss, design, and invent new business models. Let's briefly go through the 9 building blocks, starting with the customer segments. These are all the people or organizations for which you're creating value. This includes simple users and paying customers. For each segment, you have a specific value proposition. These are the bundles of products and services that create value for your customers. The channels describe through which touchpoints you're interacting with customers and delivering value. The customer relationships outline the type of relationship you're establishing with your customers. The revenue streams make clear how and through which pricing mechanisms your business model is capturing value. Then you need to describe the infrastructure to create, deliver, and capture value. The key resources show which assets are indispensable in your business model. The key activities show which things you really need to be able to perform well. The key partners show who can help you leverage your business model, since you won't own all key resources yourself, nor will you perform all key activities. Then once you understand your business model's infrastructure, you'll also have an idea of its cost structure. So with the business model canvas, you can map out your entire business model in one image. This works for startup entrepreneurs just as well as for the most senior executives.
All right, folks, so hope you are clear as to what a business canvas does, like what's the purpose of it. So let me know in the chat if you are clear as to what exactly business canvas is. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you some really cool tools that you can use and hopefully map out your business canvas in the next 10 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. What I'm going to do is a live example for you, of course, using our dear friend ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT, saying that I'm looking at launching a 100-day challenge for my community and helping the business get the, in helping them get their business set up online. Can you create a business canvas so I can map this? All right, so creating a business canvas. So we're going to start with customer segments. So small businesses without an online presence, freelancers and individuals looking to expand their coaching online. So say my target market is primarily coaches and freelancers. Can you rework this? All right, so 100-day canvas, primary target market is coaches and consultants, life coaches, business coaches, any other type of coach. Secondary market is freelancers, writers, designers, developers seeking to expand their client base. Value proposition. So tools and strategies to strengthen your personal brand online. The client acquisition technique to attract and convert leads into clients. Skill development, learn a new skill. That's the value proposition. The channels will be webinars and workshops, online platform and social media. Customer relationships, so personalized coaching, peer support, continuous feedback. Revenue streams would be enrollment fees, premium services, and affiliate partnerships. Key resources would be industry experts, digital tools, educational content. The key activities would be creating content, one-on-one coaching, community engagement. Key partnerships would be tech providers, website hosting, domain registration, industry influencers, training institutes. The cost structure would be personal costs, platform maintenance, marketing, and operational costs. So this is how you can create an outline for your business canvas. And once you have this, you can, of course, tweak it, make sure that everything makes sense. And once you're done with that, you need to go ahead, and I'm going to give you this link to register. You can go ahead and register for an account if you haven't already. And you can sign up. As soon as you sign up, you should receive an email. You'll receive an email in your inbox for verification. I already do have an account, so I'm going to just sign in. And once you sign in, the first thing that you're going to need to do is plan your product. So in this case, I'm going to call this as the online business challenge. So the problem that we want to help solve is we want to help people go online in 100 days and grow a successful business on the internet. Right now, I'm just going to add myself and say we want to complete this project in 100 days. So let's go to October 5th, and we can ask for a product description to ChatGPT. So let's get a quick product description. So I'll take this and paste it in over here as my product description. And I'm going to save this. Once you're done with your initial product, so if you have multiple products, you can create multiple products simply by planning a product. Once you've got the product that you want to focus on, you can simply go ahead and design your business model. So here we're going to call this as the online business organization. And all we need to do right now is we need to fill up who are our key partners, what are the key activities, what are the key resources, what's the value proposition that we're going to provide, what are the customer relationships we're going to maintain, what are the channels that we're going to use, as well as the customer segments. So you could go ahead and use ChatGPT, or you could write this yourself. So for us, our key partners, I'm going to paste that in over here. Who are our key partners? Our key partners are tech providers, website hosting, domain registration. We need to connect with some influencers. We could do some specialized offline training as well. I'm going to go ahead and save that. And similarly for the activities, what are the key activities that we want to focus on? So need to create content, need to be able to support you folks, need to constantly market and promote your business. Key partners, paste that in over here. Our value proposition. To get set up online, get help, get support. How are we going to maintain customer relationships? We're going to maintain customer relationships through coaching, through support, regular updates and check-ins. What are the channels that we're going to use? So workshops, webinars, online platforms, and social media. And finally, customer segments, a target market. Cost structure for operating something like this. And finally, how are we going to make money? The revenue streams. I'm going to take that in and post it here. All I'm going to do is save this. And now we are done. And what you will have for yourself is a wonderful business canvas with your key partners, your key activities. What is your value proposition? Your customer relationships, your customer segments, the key resources, the channels, your cost structure, and revenue stream. So if you take a look at this, you're going to see that it's going to map exactly to what we have over here. Everything in business is going to be mapped out on a single sheet like this. You can print it, you can snapshot it, you can do whatever you need with this. Excuse me. And then you're going to save this. You can print it, you can make it a PDF, you can do what you need to make it nice and effective. Save it, and you will then definitely be a lot ahead of your competition because you've actually taken the time to map out every single thing on your business. You can customize this. In case you want to plan another product, you can simply go to product planning, plan your product. So the name, what problem does it solve, what's product description. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and map out your entire business canvas. So how do you get started? Well, you can go to, I'll put in the link into the chat for you. So you can sign up, you'll receive an email. Once you receive that email, you verify the tool. So you will get your entire business captured in a nutshell, absolutely. So just type in BC if you are ready for day 2 challenge, where you go ahead and create this for yourself. I'm going to be opening up the WhatsApp group as well, just for a short bit today, so we don't disturb everyone. And go ahead, create this, and you're going to see how this entire piece of the puzzle comes together right now on day 2. On day 3, we'll be jumping into each of these components, diving in deeper. You have ChatGPT at your disposal. You have a tool at our disposal. So definitely, let's be 100 on 100. Let's get all our tasks done. Yesterday, you looked at creating a bio link. Hopefully, you're done with that. If not, if today is the first day that you're joining, I'd recommend you spend about 5 minutes in setting up your bio link. The link is here as well for the second tool. So go ahead and register if you need to. And we will see you back on day 3. Let's kick some ass. Let's get a lot of stuff done. Do everything in these 100 days. And trust me, if you have your business canvas listed out like a pro, is going to help your business grow like a pro. So hope you guys had a good day 2. Let me know in the chat, and we'll see you back on a Monday, getting the foundations in place. And then it's going to be a lot more fun, where we're going to be talking about revenue generating activities, things that you can do from day 3 right away to start making some sales. Thank you, Hemant. Thanks, Sudesh. Look forward to seeing you guys back on Monday morning, bright and early, 7 a.m. and have a wonderful weekend. Do take some action. Do take some action. Get your bio link and get your business canvas. And we'll see you on day 3. Thank you, Lakshmi. Thanks, Srividya. Amazing, Shibu. Great that you've taken action. Thanks, Bahubali and Satyamurthy. We'll see you back bright and early on day 3. Get your business canvas in place, whether you're a coach, a consultant, a freelancer, any kind of online business needs a business canvas. And we will see you on day 3. Thanks, everyone.